Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to sign in to your Grammarly account. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for grammarly.com. Once you are in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, if you are a new user, just enter your email ID to create a secure password to sign up. If you have already an account, click on the login button at the top right side and then select your account, and then this will open a Google page. As you can see here, select your Gmail ID and then click on continue. Then you will see that you will land to your Grammarly dashboard. And that's it. You can start checking grammar, editing documents, and improving your writing instantly. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.